Welcome to a brand new video. My name is Ashley. For anybody new here, I do share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses on one channel. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that bell so you get that notification sent straight to your device. Now, as you guys can tell, this is probably going to be a difficult voiceover, as I cannot talk already as it is. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, but I'm just giving you guys the overview of the outside of the fridge and how nasty and dirty it is. And honestly, guys, I wish it picked it up a little bit better, but it didn't. I tried my best giving you guys the overview. But now we are inside the fridge, and I'm just giving you a quick little overview of how everything's looking. And I do give you up close and personal shots throughout the video. So if you guys are into that, make sure you stay tuned for all of that. As you guys can see, I'm doing it right now, actually. And then we love to do befores and afters, so make sure you stay tuned for the after effect of how clean my fridge gets. I love it. And then we go on to the kitchen later on. I have a little galley kitchen, I believe it's called. So my fridge is in one area, and then my kitchen, as in like my sink and my stove, is in another area, which we will be cleaning that today on camera, so don't worry about that. There is a ton of cleaning that I have to do in there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's kitchen clean with me, fridge clean out and organize. And if you guys need more than just your kitchen, we have tons and tons of cleaning motivation here on the channel. Just go check it out. I do thank you so much for joining me today, even though you didn't have to. It means a lot when you guys click on our videos. But I'm going to stop chit-chatting for now. Enjoy the music. I'll be popping in and out here and there throughout the video. What's crazy is I used to take everything out of my fridge and clean it in my shower or my sink, and now I'm just too tired to even do that. So I just spray it in with my pine sol and water mixture and just wipe it down with a microfiber rag. It gets the job done, it gets it clean, and it smells good, honestly, in my fridge. So I can't complain. But I just can't believe I used to take the time to do that. It used to take me forever to clean out my fridge. I mean, don't get me wrong, it kind of does take a little bit doing it this way, but the other way definitely took way longer when I can just do this. I don't know why. I think it's because we grew up doing that. We used to take everything out and wipe it down with hot soapy water to get it all clean. So maybe that's why I would do it. But now I honestly just go in there with some spray or just a hot rag and some water and soap and just wipe it down. I mean, clean is clean, right? Gets the job done and, it's clean. But I moved on to the drawers, and a lot of that water is from my water machine there, not from the machine itself. It's just from spilling of water from like cups or whatever that they might be filling it up with. So I just wanted to wipe it all out, get the crumbs out and stuff like that out of the drawers. But there was something I was gonna say, and it flew out. Where did it go? Hold on, give me a second. I remember. I was thinking I'd rather it be water than juice or some type of nastiness. I'd rather be wiping up the water than something else. So can't complain there. But like I said, I'm just trying to get the drawers all cleaned out, wiped down like I did with the shelves, but just more organized and put back in order. Kind of see what I have in here. If I need to like buy anything else or anything like that, which honestly, after cleaning the fridge, I realized I do not need to buy anything. So that was a plus. But this time I actually took the whole drawer out and I wanted to give it a good clean. And honestly, this drawer is like a very big drawer. So in order for me to get the whole thing clean, I had to take it out anyway. So yeah. All right, let's get the music going. So I made my way over to the shelves now of like the fridge door. So we're just gonna, the routine, get everything out, wipe it down, and move on. I only have 2 more shelves left, and then we get to wiping down the outside of the fridge, and then we make our way over to the kitchen. Let me know if you guys are enjoying today's video so far by just simply giving the video a thumbs up or commenting something down below. We truly like to know if you guys do enjoy our content. I'm just going to finish up wiping the outside of this fridge, and then I make my way over to my kitchen area. Oh man, it really needed a good wipe down in there, so I couldn't wait to get in there. Outfit change. I was sweating in the sweater I had on, so I ended up changing into this shirt, and then I also put my hair up when I reached the kitchen area because I was like, okay, I'm done for. This is just too hot, so it is going up. All right, so I made it to the kitchen. So we are going to be hand washing dishes. So if you guys need some motivation to wash some dishes, I got that coming up for you guys today. I also do hand dry them at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Normally I do not do that, but I was feeling a little frisky once more. Hand drying dishes, it might be my new thing, who knows, because I did do it the last time I did my kitchen video as well. So I don't know, maybe it's a new thing that I'm starting that I didn't realize, but maybe I'll keep it up, maybe I won't, we'll see. As long as the dishes get clean, that's all that matters. But yes, I picked up everything that was on the floor, put those back to where they belong, and now I'm just getting what I had in the fridge that needs to get thrown away out of the kitchen and thrown away. And then we get into tidying up the rest of the counter, folding up those rags that you guys see over there, and wiping everything down.
Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you. When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago. This town's so quiet this time of year. With the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever I feel hard, I feel fast, hoping that my love for you will last forever, forever, forever ago. I feel hard, I feel fast, hoping that my love for you will last forever, forever, forever. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago. She stands by the window, stares at the morning sun. She hopes for a clear view before the day tight.
Once I am all done folding up the rags, we get into hand drying. Oh my God, hand drying all of the dishes, and I mean all of the dishes, and we put them all away. And then once I'm done with that, guys, we are all done with today's video. Let me know if you guys did enjoy today's kitchen clean with me, fridge clean out, and all that jazz. Let me know if you got any motivation or at least some entertainment, if you enjoyed the music, anything, please let me know so that way when we make our future videos, we know how to make them even better. All right, guys, I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Stay tuned for Courtney's video on Saturday. Now let's get these hand washed and over and done with and get that clean overview. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I did sweep the floor. I thought I was recording, but the floor is all swept up and cleaned.